sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Open and fold this part onto the center line. Repeat for the other side. To keep the points on each side, flip the sheet and fold this point down to here. Flip it again and fold this part onto the center line. Repeat for the other side. Open this part. The next crease will be a little harder to make. Fold this part onto the center line. While maintaining this point like this. Repeat for the other side. The fold should now be easier to make. Reinforce the creases. Once you have this shape, fold this part up to here, under this crease. Repeat exactly on the same level on the other side. Fold in half and make the crease. Open and fold the bottom up to this point in the center, along the center line. Fold downward again, leaving a little bit to hang out like this. Close everything. Now just finish the head. Fold to the side, like this. Open and fold inward. Make the head, and you're done.